Hey guys, this is Poppy. I'm out here in the garden today, and what I want to talk about is a brand new product that we've getting ready to bring to market. We've been perfecting this over the last 6 months, and we've really got it down to the point now that we're ready to share it with you. But it's Poppy's Unlimited Cup of Castings. This is a very simple process for you to be able to create up to a pound of castings in this little container every month, and you'll be amazed what you can do with that much castings. And of course, you can have more than one container. Each container will come with 2 months supply of bedding. Every 2 weeks, you'll empty the contents out, add the new bedding to it, add the worms to it, set it aside for 2 weeks, and it's a very, very simple process. So I'm going to show you exactly how this works. First thing we're going to do is open the container. These worms have been in here for 2 weeks. There's 25 of our cultured night crawlers in here, and I'm going to show you. All we're going to do is separate the worms from the castings, and then we'll be able to immediately use those castings in our garden as we plant, or we can make worm casting tea, or we can start just storing it and building it up. I am using a screen. You wouldn't necessarily need to do that at home. I'm just doing it for the simplicity of separating, just to show you the contents. But really all you need to do is just dump it out in something, separate the worms out, and put them in your new bedding. But here we go. And so again, what we have in here are 25 of our cultured night crawlers. And you can see here on the top of the screen what's left is just the worms. So I'm going to take those worms and put them right back into the same container. You'll see some of the leftover uneaten hyphae, the high organic matter soil, some rocks that are ground up as we pulverize our soil. You'll just separate that to the side. And here are your pure worm castings. Look at that. 100% pure worm castings. So we're going to dump these into a container. And that's all there is to it. That's about 11 ounces of 100% pure organic worm castings that you'll be able to grow right at home. And again, you can have more than one. So all we're going to do now is take our bedding that we've already prepared, and you'll receive a bag of bedding with your worm farm. And you'll just take and have your bedding ready. We'll show you how to do that, but for simplicity purposes for now, we've got our worms in the container. I'm going to put a little soil in. I'm going to kind of shake it up a little bit, just kind of get them mixed up in there. I know this is crazy. And there we go. So that's all there is to it. You just put your lid on it. You can set it anywhere where the temperature stays above 55 degrees and does not go above 90 degrees. So basically anywhere in your home typically. Set them under your nightstand, put them under your sink. And every 2 weeks, this container is going to be full of castings, just like you saw. And all you're going to do is dump it out, put your new worms and your new bedding in, and check them periodically to make sure they're okay, obviously. But that's it, guys. So as simple as that. Let us know what you think about this new system. We're anxious to get your feedback, and we'll show you how much you can plant with just about 11 ounces. Appreciate you, man. We're excited about this, and we hope you are too. Talk to you soon.